Stay brighter. The message of freedom rings in the sky, spreading the fire. The flag of a nation ready to fly, taking the higher. The heart of the land that rises to fight, full of desire. When nothing is as you want it to be, look up to heaven. Freedom was made for a gallery, the chain is broken. Making the way right to the street, waters are open. Jesus has granted the victory, it's Sunday morning.
Joy in this lifetime, utterly free.
Utterly free.
Against the righteous foundations assigned to rise. Their hope is in Jesus Christ.
The giants come just hold on. The advantage is now on your side. Jesus will make the final fight.
Let Sunday morning keep rolling through the boundaries of time. Hearts are shining, going through all mankind. Let's celebrate eternal life.
Nothing is as you want it to be. Look up to heaven. Freedom was paid for the glory. The chain's broken. Making your way right to destiny. Waters are open. And Jesus has granted the victory. It's Sunday morning.
Joy in this lifetime, utterly free. More than the world gives, the Almighty seed.
Nations is time to rise. Their hope is in Jesus Christ. The giants are just hold on. The advantage is now on your side. Jesus will take the final fight.
Let Sunday morning, let Sunday morning the boundaries of time. Hearts are shining, shining through all mankind. Let's celebrate eternal life.
When something in you says you're not true, something whispers you need to go to. You say that things just can't stay this way. Your heart is calling, mayday, mayday. Road is of trouble, get out of your muddle. Just know the time that you're just in the double. Leave it behind, you'll see more mind. Once you need Jesus, the answer you'll find. On Google your river, or contact your Buddha, just follow your path, and if you're super. We have seen the life, and new life in his life. With him inside, you're taking to new heights. The rescue's begun, now someone's gone. Be looking to the sky, but not for air for swan. The way out is up and away. With Jesus today is